Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Apple ID email, password, and two-factor authentication access are ready. On your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, make sure you're signed into Settings your name. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or cellular and set date and time to automatic so authentication tokens stay valid. Now open Messages, you're ready to sign in. Don't skip 2FA because iMessage binds devices to your Apple ID for identity and sync. Next, enable and configure iMessage. In Settings Messages, turn iMessage on. It contacts Apple to register your device. Then tap Send and Receive, sign in with your Apple ID if prompted, and choose which phone numbers and emails will send and receive iMessages. Make sure your caller ID is set to the primary address or number you want. If you use multiple devices, enable text message forwarding on your iPhone so SMS can reach Macs and iPads. This keeps conversations unified across devices. To finish, restart your devices and confirm messages shows your chosen addresses under Send and Receive. Activation can sometimes take up to 24 hours. If iMessage fails, sign out of Apple ID in Messages, then sign back in to force re-registration. Make sure two-factor prompts are accepted on trusted devices and verify your phone number uses the correct international format. One key troubleshooting tip. If activation says failed, toggle iMessage off, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This often clears registration hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.